Better turn on your webcam. Simran, turn on your webcam. How are you, beta? Good. Guys, turn on your webcam. Sukhjinder, turn on your webcam. Rajveer, turn on your webcam, beta. Raj Sangam, turn on your webcam, beta. Okay, guys, so we will start our class. Okay. We should not wait more people here. Those who have not attended the class from the last 2 days, I'm going to ring up them. Okay. And I'll take the attendance in the last also. Today we are doing the question number 45, page number 2.89. Page number 2.89. Okay, guys. In this question, we have to make the profit loss appropriation account. What we have to make? We have to make the profit loss appropriation account and partners capital account, and you have to pass the journal entry. In this topic, we learned these three things. So as you know that how to make the profit loss appropriation account. So I'll give you one, just I am revising you or recapping you the format of profit loss appropriation account. In the profit loss appropriation account, what you will do with that? To interest on drawing. What you will, first of all, interest on drawing. So to interest on drawing, interest on capital for A, B, two partners are there, you will write here and you will write here. Same as salary to the partner, A and B are there, you will write here. Commission, same as, and to profit transfer, A and B, and this will be divided into the old ratio. Here by net profit, by interest on drawing, A, B. This will be the format of your, this is the format, beta. So you have to follow this format. Go to the question number 43. Just read it, 43. Muskan, turn on your webcam, beta. In the question number 43, Amit and Vijay started a business on the 1st April 2020. Their capital contributed was 2 lakh rupees and 1,50,000. Meg, turn on your webcam, beta. Meg. Otherwise, I will remove you. Meg, this is the last warning, beta. Okay, I've removed the Mag because it's not turned on the webcam, so I remove her. So their capital contribute were 2 lakh and 1,50,000 respectively. The partnership provided the following: interest on the capital allowed 10%. Interest on the capital आप निकाल सकते हैं 10%. Simply, Amit's salary 2,000 per month एंड विजय सैलरी 3000 3000 पर मंथ, आपको ईयर में कन्वर्ट करना आता है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12, profit sharing ratio is given and profit is also given, and interest on drawing is given. So this question is as simple as this format. So just put the value on this format and get the answer. Okay beta, can you do that? Guys done? बेटा हो गया? Guys, you can do it or I'll do for you. Only Rajveer had sent me the answer. Just write as if you have any doubt, so I'll do for you. If you have any doubt, I'll do for you, beta. Just Ekta, your answer is right, beta. Ekta, show me on the screen like that. The screen. Ekta, on the screen you can show like that. Hi Ekta, are you listening me? Okay guys, should I do for you? Hurry up, send me fast. Do it fast, beta. Guys, turn on your webcam and tell me, beta, should I do for you or you can do that? Only I got 3. Just do it and send to me, beta. Don't take so much time. This is 3 marks question, so you should not take more than 5 minutes for that. Okay, this is 3 marks question, so you cannot take more than 5 minutes. Just do it, beta, and send to me. Mankul, Jasmine, Rajveer, Rhythm, Muskan, Simran. Have you done, guys? Sukhjinder, beta, you are the great boy, my dear. You can do it very easily. Have you done it, beta? Muskan? No? Okay, thank you. I got 3. Jasmine, your answer is right. Mankul, your answer is right. Rajveer. Very good, beta. Sukhjinder, beta जी भेजो बेटा जी. व्हाट्सअप करो बेटा जी जल्दी से. ओनली 2 बच्चे रह गए. Only 2 are left. I'm waiting for you. Okay guys, those who have completed this one, they will go for next question. That's a typical one, little bit typical. Question number 45. Do the question number 45. In the question number 45, A and B are the partner profit sharing ratio to 3:1. On the 1st of April 2020, their capital were 50,000, 5 lakh and 50,000, 30,000. During the year ended 31st March 2021, the firm earned the net profit of 50,000. Conditions are interest on the capital to be allowed 6%. A will get a commission of 2% on the turnover. Turnover must be given in the question. B will get the salary of 500 per month. B will get the commission of 5% on the profit after deducting all the expenses including such commission. Partners drawing for the year were 8,000, 6,000. ड्रॉइंग्स आपको दे रखी है 8,000, 6,000 की एंड 8,000 एंड बी 6,000 टन की ड्राइंग भी हो गई बेटा. टर्नओवर फॉर द ईयर वाज 3 लाख. टर्नओवर आपका कितना है 3 लाख का है. आफ्टर कंसीडरिंग ऑल द फैक्ट्स You are required to make the prepare the P&L appropriation account and partners capital account. दोनों बनाना है. जल्दी से बेटा ट्राई करो, फिर मैं आपको हेल्प करता हूँ. Guys, see how we will find out the B's commission. Do you know that? Can you calculate B's commission, beta? B will get the commission of 5% on the profit after deducting all the expenses including such as commission. Commission को भी include करके उसने profit निकालना है. So बेटा तो हमारे पास जो है एक्सपेंसेस कौन कौन से हैं. पहले हम नेट प्रॉफिट लिख देते हैं. बाय नेट प्रॉफिट है हमारा 50,000 रुपीज का. सो हमारे पास जो है 48,000 हमने एक्सपेंसेस इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल का है. कमीशन 6,000, सैलरी 6,000. सो मैं आपको यहाँ पे करके दिखा देता हूँ, फिर उसको बाद में रफ कर दूंगा मैं आपको. वर्किंग नोट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर द ऑल एक्सपेंसेस हम सबसे पहले निकालते हैं। सो कितना है हमारा प्रॉफिट 50,000 माइनस 48 माइनस 6,000 माइनस 6,000 12 और 4 16 17 32। सो दिस इज द प्रॉफिट। और इस प्रॉफिट पे बेटा आपको कमीशन निकालना है 5%। सो व्हाट वी विल डू, guys, you got it, I'll explain you। ओके गाइस, देखो बेटा अब वो कह रहा है 5% जो आपको कमीशन पे करना है बी को, 5% जो आपको कमीशन पे करना है बी को। लिसन केयरफुली गाइस। Rajveer, you also, Raj Sangam, your answer is not up to the mark, huh? You are very close to the answer, but your answer is not right। So he was saying कि B को कमीशन देना है हमें 5%। The 5% B को कमीशन देना है, that commission are also included in the profit। He said simply into the quotient, and after deducting all the expenses, so what we are doing, 50,000 is your profit, so that 50,000 we wrote here, and we have deduct all the expenses 44,800, 6,000 and this 6,000. We have not, because we have to calculate this one. So we have all subtracted all these things. So we will get 32,200. Formula is commission to the profit, commission to the B, profit after all the expenses multiplied by rate 100 plus rate। जब मैंने आपको बताया था कि वो आफ्टर प्रॉफिट हम निकालते हैं, आफ्टर प्रॉफिट, दिस इज आफ्टर प्रॉफिट। सो हमें रेट अपॉन 100 प्लस रेट करना पड़ता है, फार्मूला लगाना पड़ता है। सेम फार्मूला हमने यहाँ लगाया, जो मैंने आपको परसों फार्मूला कराया था, सेम फार्मूला हमने इसको यूज किया एंड वी गॉट द प्रॉफिट, वी गॉट द सॉरी कमीशन। क्लियर बेटा? ओके थैंक यू। उसमें बेटा हम क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले हमारा जो नेट प्रॉफिट होता है उसमें से सारे एक्सपेंसेस माइनस कर लेते हैं। हमारे पास जितने एक्सपेंसेस थे सब हमने माइनस कर लिए, ठीक है। सारे एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करने के बाद आपका प्रॉफिट आफ्टर एक्सपेंसेस आ जाता है। आफ्टर एक्सपेंसेस उसकी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हम, फार्मूला लगा देते हैं आफ्टर एक्सपेंसेस में, रेट अपॉन, ये फार्मूला है बेटा, अभी मैं आपकी फोटो क्लिक करके भेजता हूँ। प्रॉफिट आफ्टर ऑल द एक्सपेंसेस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रेट 100 प्लस रेट, ये फार्मूला लगाते हैं बेटा। इसके बाद हम अमाउंट अपना निकाल लेते हैं और दिस अमाउंट को हम लोग उठा के कमीशन टू बी में ट्रांसफर कर दिया, दैट्स ऑल। क्लियर बेटा? पिक भेजो इसकी। बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, हमारी ड्राइंग पे इंटरेस्ट कितना दे रखा है बेटा, ड्राइंग है हमारी 8,000 and 6,000। तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग है नहीं बेटा, अब हमें बस इसका आंसर निकाल के फाइंड आउट करना है। Okay guys, is it clear? Just go through, if you have any doubts so you can ask me. After that we have to make the PC of that। अब इसका PC बनाना बेटा, ये जितनी भी चीजें आपकी डेबिट में गिवन है, whatever the things are given into the debit, interest on capital, commission, salary, profit and loss appropriation, इन सबको बेटा कहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देंगे हम, क्रेडिट साइड में निंजा टेक्निक लगाएंगे पीसीएम में, इस पूरे को बेटा हम क्रेडिट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे और इसको हम डेबिट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे बेटा। ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बाय बैलेंस बीडी ओल्ड कैपिटल कितनी दे रखी है बेटा, कैपिटल कितना है ये 50,000 and 30,000, so write down 50,000 and 30,000 by interest on capital, interest on capital कितना है हमारा 3,000, we will write into the A, 18,000 for B, कमीशन ए का हमारा 6,000, बी का 1,581 बाय सैलरी बी की है 6,000 बाय पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, हमने पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट कितना निकाला था 23,714,7904 एंड हमारी ड्राइंग्स हैं 8,000 6,000, टोटल लगा दिए बेटा इसका 82714 47286 82714 47286 टू बैलेंस CD फाइंड आउट करिए टू बैलेंस CD 74714 41286 that's all your question beta just do it and I'll explain you again if you have any doubt. Okay guys, we'll go for the more tough. I'm going to make you the more tough question for you. Okay guys, so this is clear to you beta, partners capital account and profit loss appropriation account. Is it clear to you? Okay guys, so go for the question number 48. Go the question number 48. That's very important question beta. Just try the question number 48. In the question number 48, ABC are the partner in a firm having the capital of 50,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. Okay. Respectively, their current account balance are 10,000, 5,000 and 2,000 debit side. So capital account is given and current account is given. So it means capital belongs to the fixed capital. So according to the partnership deed, the partners were entitled to and the interest on capital 10%. C, being the working partner, was also entitled to a salary of 12,000. The firm were to be divided, profit were to be divided as first 20,000 proportion to the 12. जितना भी प्रॉफिट आएगा वो बेटा उसका 20,000 रुपीज जो है कैपिटल रेशियो में डिवाइड होगा. Listen very carefully. This is the twist, Simran. Are you listening? Okay, 30,532 रेशियो में डिवाइड होगा प्रॉफिट उसका. और जो 20,000 minus 30,000 जो बचेगा रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट दैट विल बी डिवाइड इनटू द इक्वली. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है बेटा, 3 मार्क्स में आ सकता है. लेट्स डू इट. P&L appropriation account. सो हमारा प्रॉफिट जो है बेटा 1,72,000 है. बाय नेट प्रॉफिट 1,72,000 और उसमें क्या दिया इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ए बी सी। इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कितना है हमारा? इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैलकुलेट करेंगे 5,000 5,000 10,000 5,000 5,000 10,000 20,000 हमारा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है। टू सैलरी हमें दे रखी है टू सी, सैलरी दे रखी है सैलरी टू सी 12,000 और कुछ भी नहीं दे रखा है हमें। सो ये हो गया हमारा 172 टू प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर्ड हो जाएगा 140। बेटा हमारा प्रॉफिट आ रहा है 140। इस 140 में फर्स्ट 20,000 रुपीज को हमें डिवाइड करना है कैपिटल रेशियो में। इस 140 में से 30,000 को डिवाइड करना है हमें द रेशियो विच इज गिवन टू यू and rest of the amount what we will do will divide into equally. So let's see the calculation. Calculation for sharing the profit. Number one, distributed in capital ratio. Capital is 50,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. So just cut it down. So 1, 1, 2 will be the 5 on the 1, 5 on the 1, 5 to the 10. So ratio will be 1:1:2. So this is the ratio. So A's share will be 20,000 multiplied by 1/4, that is 5,000. B's share 20,000 multiplied by 1/4, that will be 5,000. C's share 20,000 multiplied by 1/4 will be, sorry, that will be 2/4, that will be 10,000. According to the capital ratio. After that 30,000 will be divided into old ratio. So A share will be 30,000 into 5/10, that is 15,000. B share will be 30,000 by 3/10, 9,000. C share 30,000 2/10, that is 6,000. Clear बेटा? 30,000 प्लस 20,000 हमने माइनस किए, 50,000 किसमें से? 140 में से। तो हमारे कितने बचे? 90,000। अब 90,000 इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गए। रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट कितना आया हमारा? रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट is 140 minus 20 minus 30, that will be the 90,000. This 90,000 will be divided into equally. So A will be 90,000 multiplied by 1 by 3. B is equal to 90,000 1 by 3 is equal to 90,000 1 by 3. That will be 30,000. 30,000 and 30,000. ओके गाइस, अब ए का प्रॉफिट कितना होगा बेटा? अगर हम ए का प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करें यहाँ पे, एस प्रॉफिट, सो ए का प्रॉफिट 5,000 प्लस 15,000 प्लस 30,000. सो एस प्रॉफिट विल बी 5,000 plus 15,000 plus 30,000. So that will be 50,000 will be A's profit. Same as calculate B's profit. B का profits 5,000 plus 9,000 14,000 plus 30,000 44,000. So that is 5,000 plus 9,000 plus 30,000 is equal to 44,000. C's profit, C का profit 10,000 plus 6,000 16,000 plus 30,000 46,000. 1,72,000. 1,72,000. I hope this is clear to you बेटा guys. डाउट हो तो पूछो बेटा मुझसे. And guys, best of luck for your examination. Best of luck for your examination. 3 o'clock you have the exam. Okay beta, take care, bye bye.